parts just came in today, so I gotta go install these. Busy. This is a dryer eating element, and these are all parts that came in that I gotta go install right here. These are all parts that I need to go install. This just came in. This is for a dryer, Frigidaire dryer. I gotta go install all these parts. This bag right here is, as I said, my tool bag, and I'm gonna go over that in a separate video. It's gonna be a separate video by itself. I'm gonna have to break it up in a couple different segments. This is my seal system bag, so I kind of separate my appliance repair bag separate from my seal system bag. And I kind of try to keep everything separated and as organized as possible. Alright, that locked up. I got a ton of stuff in my garage as well. I gotta go over that with you guys some other day. And now I gotta go jump into this, get ready for this meeting here. Alright, like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.